Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is swipe down from the top of your screen like this. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles will be a power saving one. Now for me it is located on the second page, so you can just swipe to the left, this will show you the second page. And once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. And that's it. Your power saving mode is now enabled. Now with that being said, there is one thing that I'll just mention. Power saving mode tends to change how the device functions. So sometimes what it does is turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you encounter that your notifications are being delayed or just not being delivered at all, just know that this is most likely the fault of your power saving mode. Now that being said, once you're done with your power saving, you can tap on it once again to turn it off, and your device will go back to functioning normally. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.